Hello guys, this is tutorial 3, and in this video you will learn how you can label tasks in your account on TickTick. So let us begin. So head over to your TickTick account, navigate to your inbox or to the calendar here or task list. It's up to you. Either way, navigate to the given task, right? And then click into these 3 dots here. And it's a little bit hard or difficult to click into. So there are 2 ways how you can label your task. You can, for example, assign a priority like urgent or any of these here, or you can assign a custom tag by clicking into this button and label your task as, let's say, for example, relevant. Create the tag if it hasn't been created yet. Press enter, and that is going to label the tag, and all labels will be listed here, meaning also all tasks, subtasks, milestones, and nodes that have been labeled as such will be listed here. And also here, guys. So that's how it works. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.